Today we are giving you best review about home appliance product. Thor kitchen 4-piece package with 48 dual fuel range 6 burner with double oven and griddle, 48 under cabinet range hood, 36 cabinet depth French door refrigerator and 24 built-in dishwasher. Product description: HRD 4803U Thor kitchen 48 inches dual fuel range 6 burner with double oven and griddle cooktop 304 SS drip pan 3 PCs heavy casting iron cooking grates oven 30 inches black porcelain oven interior heavy duty oven fan 2 halogen lights. HRF 3601F Thor kitchen 36 inches cabinet depth stainless French door refrigerator ice maker lighting, high efficiency LED lighting defrost process refrigerator section, frost free number of shelves, refrigerator, 5 adjustable shelves, refrigerator, 4 half width shelf material, refrigerator, tempered glass type of shelves, refrigerator, tempered glass gallon storage bins, 4 humidity control drawer 2. HRH 4805U 48 inches under cabinet range hood in stainless steel size, 48 inches high quality SS 0.8 mm thickness rated power, 1200 CFM double squirrel cage ultra quiet motor 3-speed button switch noise, max speed 69D flat stainless steel baffle filter 2 air outlets on top product dimensions, 48W 23.5D 18H product weight, 110 pounds. HDW 2401 SS 24 inches dishwasher in stainless steel size, 24-inch semi-built-in style delay start power of heating element 120 volts, 840 W inlet water temperature minimum, 120 degrees Fahrenheit 49 degrees Celsius washing performance, 80+ certified water consumption 13.31 L 3.1 gallons noise level 45 decibels system outlet hose length, 59 load capacity, 48 PCS 20 GP product dimensions, 24.5 D x 24 W by 33.5 H product weight, 96.8 pounds. 2-year parts and labor warranty. For purchase this product please click on link below in description mentioned https://amzn.to/20601bz